Well, the grass is about 6 to 8 inches high. There's limbs down all over the place. Most of the trails has some logs in the way. So we have lots of work to do today on the property. So today, just going to show you, if you're a property owner, some maintenance things you can get done in probably a day's worth of time. Got the tractor all gassed up, so instead of mowing all this grass, I'm actually going to bush hog it, go a little quicker just to knock it down, and we can mow it at some other time. So that's what we're doing today, is just maintaining the property. First thing we're going to do is get rid of some of these larger limbs that have fallen. That way when I'm starting to bush hog the yard out here, I don't have to stop and pick them up. Just be a lot easier just to kind of keep going if I can. So got a creek right there, so I'll probably just toss these logs over to the side. Yeah, I meant to get that all the way across, but that's okay. Next rain will take care of that. Okay, we got a slight change of plans. So I pulled the tractor out to start bush hogging, and I'm just sitting here getting ready to get it all set up. It stopped running. I looked down and there was gas coming out. You can kind of see it dripping from here. So I turned off the gas feed to the filter. So this is the carburetor. So something definitely has happened. Now that I look down, that's what I was hoping for, that I'd find something. So yeah, something's come out. I think that has something to do with the idle. Luckily, it's right there. So hopefully, with any luck, I can just replace that, put it back in, and that'll fix our problem. Wish me luck. Okay, like I said, luckily found this little piece. Looks like it just threads right in there. I think we got pretty lucky. That could have came out anywhere. Could have been. Luckily, I was just sitting here. Don't know how tight to go with this or anything. First thing is just to get it in there. Kind of snug it up a little bit and then maybe back off. Again, I think that's related to the idle. As you can see, I got it there we go. So it's snugged up all the way in there. Obviously, if this is related to the idle, we want to back it off just a little bit. So I'm going to just loosen it up a little. So it's snugged up all the way in there. I'm going to turn the gas back on. The carburetor should fill back up, so I should know right away if that's going to hold. I don't have any Teflon tape or anything like that with me, but I'm thinking that that may help as well. But we'll see. So the gas is on. I don't see any immediate leaks. Of course, I didn't see anything. It was kind of dripping, so it's not dripping now or anything. So I'm hoping that the gas should be kind of coming in there anyway. So I'll give it a try. got the yard mowed, and I thought I'd start down the trails with the bush hog, just to get those one last time. I kind of knew we were going to have some problems, but this here, as you can see behind me, some trees down. I did bring my chainsaw today, so we're going to try to, I think, just walk back and get the side by side, get the chainsaw out, kind of clear this up a little bit, instead of driving the tractor all the way back. Although I guess I could do that. Just to get things cleared up. I think there's a few more logs down, so it might be worth taking the side by side down through the trails first, just to clean them up before I get the bush hog down through there. So I'll be back in a sec. Alright, I see a bigger tree that's fallen, and that's taken with it some smaller trees with vines, but shouldn't be too much of a problem. All right, always a little tougher than you think it's going to be. Let's move on down the trail, see if we find anything else. Always have a secret agenda coming out here too. Checking on the pawpaws. As you can see, we do have fruit. Feels pretty hard yet, so not quite ripe. Here in about a week or so, they'll be pretty ripe. So I'm on the lookout for pawpaw trees. Hopefully everybody knows what those are. But here's a leaf, pretty big. Green leaf comes on early, and that's the fruit. Sometimes we grow in bunches of 3 or 4. That's a singular one there, but anyway, pawpaw. As I mentioned, pawpaws can grow in bunches of 3 or 4, so let's see if we can zoom back and see those. There they are, right in the center. So yeah, we'll come back in about a week and start picking pawpaws. This sycamore tree is fallen. It's in the field just a little bit. I got a chainsaw and we're here, so we'll try to take care of it. It's quite a bit, but we'll do what we can. Try to drag it off in the weeds. Probably not able to get real high so the tractor can get underneath of it, but maybe the side by side can get underneath of it and just kind of get out of the way. So that'll be the next project. All right, that didn't go too bad, so I'll just be cleaning up from here on out. Okay, I got the trails all cleared up. Had the chainsaw out and it worked pretty good. There were a lot more trees than I thought in the way, but I think we got them all. So I'm gonna take the tractor out and finish clearing off the trails. Okay, I think we finally finished for the day. Appreciate you watching. Again, been real hot. If it's not been real hot, it's been raining, so it's been difficult to get out here and take care of anything. But like I said before, that's okay. You know, you can always catch back up, and that's what we did today. Got the yard around the workshop mowed. We cut the wood out of the trails so we could get through those, and then we took the bush hog through the trails and knocked everything down so that we could get through those a lot easier. So I hope you appreciate what we're doing here. We're just kind of showing what it takes to maintain a property. if that's something you like to see and do, feel free to subscribe. We're going to be doing some hunting here pretty soon, so it'll be pretty exciting. I got a few other projects to go on, so every single subscriber is pretty cool, so please take a moment and do that. Hey, from McG Farms, I appreciate you watching, and we'll be seeing you. Bye.